In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot Sales Hub to Outlook. By the end, your Outlook inbox will be connected to HubSpot so your emails can automatically log to contacts, and you can work faster without manual copy-paste. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account and heading to the main home screen. From there, look for the Settings gear icon, typically in the top navigation. Open Settings to access your personal preferences. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need the right permissions from your HubSpot admin first. In the left sidebar of Settings, select Email under your user preferences. This is where you manage the inbox you'll use with Sales Hub. Next, choose Connect Personal Email. This option is perfect for your individual mailbox that you use for one-to-one outreach. It keeps your communication tied to the right records in HubSpot. Click Connect Your Inbox. HubSpot will guide you through a short flow. When prompted, type in your email address exactly as you use it in Outlook. This helps HubSpot detect the correct provider and prepare the Microsoft sign-in. Double-check for typos, then click Next to proceed. On the provider screen, select Connect to Outlook. This tells HubSpot you're connecting a Microsoft mailbox, whether it's Microsoft 365 or Outlook.com. Click Continue to move into the secure Microsoft sign-in window. If a new window doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Now sign into your Outlook account. If your organization uses single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, complete those prompts as usual. You'll see a permissions screen from Microsoft outlining what HubSpot needs to do, like read and send emails on your behalf for logging and tracking. Review the details and accept to grant access. If you get an admin approval message, you may need your IT team to allow the app before you can finish. Once the connection is successful, you'll be taken back to HubSpot. You should see a confirmation that your inbox is connected. This is a good moment to quickly review your email settings in HubSpot, such as default logging and tracking preferences, so your future emails are captured the way you expect. To confirm everything works, send a quick test email from Outlook to a contact that exists in HubSpot. After a moment, open that contact's timeline in HubSpot and look for the logged email. If it's there, you're all set. That's it. You've connected HubSpot Sales Hub to Outlook. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.